What's up, guys? Justin here with the realtimeessentials.com, back with another Unity news update. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the Unity rebrand, where they've gone through and they've redone the logo and made some other changes and kind of just talk through what it means. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. All right, so first things first, there's a blog post on Unity's website, which I will link to in the notes down below, so you can go through and read everything having to do with this rebrand. And so basically what's happened is Unity has rolled out a new logo. And so if you look at the screen, on the left-hand side is what the older logo looked like. On the right-hand side is what the new logo looks like. So while it's definitely not the same, it's not massively different either. I mean, obviously the two differences are your cube looks a little bit different. It's more of like a parallel projection type look. And then you've also got the capital U on Unity. So not a huge change, but enough of a change that it's definitely getting some attention. And so I guess the first question that a lot of people have is, okay, what does this actually mean for Unity? And if you scroll through this blog post and look at it, the answer is really not a ton. So there's not going to be a ton that's changing right now unless you're someone like me who uses the logo in like thumbnails and other things like that. But if you're not using the logo very much, if it's just something using like a game or something like that, it's just a question of downloading the new logo and using that. So there's a lot of talk of, you know, what exactly this symbolizes and all of that. A lot of people say that it doesn't really matter. I understand that like corporately it does, so that your branding and the reasoning behind it, like it's all supposed to be, it all has to do with like your company's mission and everything like that. So there's more to it than just, okay, this is marketers just kind of playing around. So this is them trying to like consolidate all of their products and things under one banner. So if we do scroll down a little bit, so they do have some animated 3D logos that they've rolled out for some of their other programs. So things like Forma and Mars and things that if you're working with games, you're probably not doing a ton with, but they do have some logos here. So the logo up above, I don't really have a giant issue with, right? The capital U and this, I mean, it's similar to what it was before. These are a little bit weird to me. Like, I like the animation in the logos, but at the same time, notice how this animates over into the final thing showing the abbreviation for the programs. Those are weird to me because they have a very strong Adobe look to them. So I'm not a giant fan of that. So that piece, I'm like, I'm not really a huge fan of the way that those look. But again, that's a branding decision by Unity. So it's kind of their call. And at the end of the day, it's really not going to affect most of us anyway. So anyway, I mean, bottom line, from what I'm seeing, it's not really affecting anything having to do with the product as of right now. It looks like there may be some new branding things that come out over the next few months, having to do with the different products and other things like that. But I'm not seeing any big changes in the actual Unity offerings. But I'd love to hear your opinion in the comments down below. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the new logo. Any of this, I just love having that conversation with you guys. If you want more great Unity content every week, make sure you click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.